In order to calculate the cumulative relative frequency, you first have to do just cumulative frequency, which basically means, for example, you add everything in the first column and then the column next to it, the column before it. So for this one, 4, that's the easy one, right? Here we will add 4 plus 0, which is still 4. Now we add 8 plus 4 plus 0. So here we have 12. And then, and so on and so forth. All right, and then I'll change the color just to make it a little easier to see. All right, so then we add all of these together, and our total is 18, right? And then we add all of these together, and the total is now 21. We come down here, 21 plus 5, we now are at 26. And lastly, we now have 30. And you know you've done this correctly when your total is the exact number of people you sampled. Okay, now for the cumulative frequency part, the next thing we need to do is now basically do 4 divided by 30. Okay, which gives us a 0.133. Next, so again here, 4 divided by 30, right? So this is kind of the same. Then we do here 12 divided by 30. All right, and then let's change the ink color to match here. Then we do 18 divided by 30, which is equal to 0.6. Oops, I forgot to do this, 0.4. Next, we do 21 divided by 30, which is equal to 0.7. Then we do 26 divided by 30, which is 0.86. And lastly, we do 30 divided by 30, which is equal to 1. And this is how we calculate cumulative relative frequency. Another way of doing it is by doing percentage, right? Where at the bottom here, you would have 100%, right? So this would be 86%. This would be 0.7%, 70%, sorry. And so on and so forth. But the idea is when you've summed up your relative frequency, your cumulative relative frequency, you have 100% or a 1.